Good morning. This cafe looks cozy. Do you have a menu I can take a look at?
Good morning. Yes, absolutely. The menu is right here on the counter. We also have some seasonal drinks on the board behind me if you'd like to check them out.
Thank you. I'm thinking about getting coffee, but I'm not sure which one to choose. What do you recommend for someone who prefers mild coffee?
I'd suggest our medium roast latte. It's smooth and not too strong. If you like something sweeter, you might enjoy the caramel latte or vanilla cappuccino.
The medium roast latte sounds good. Can I get it with almond milk instead of regular milk?
Of course, we have almond, oat, soy, and lactose-free milk available. Almond milk works perfectly for that drink.
Great! I'll take a medium latte with almond milk, please. And do you have any pastries?
Yes, we do. We have croissants, muffins, banana bread, and chocolate chip cookies. They're displayed over there in the glass case.
The banana bread looks delicious. Is it freshly made?
Yes, it was baked this morning. It's one of our most popular items.
Then I'll take a slice of banana bread too. Do I pay now or after I finish?
You can pay now at the register. Would you like anything else? Maybe water or a sandwich?
Not right now, thank you. Just the latte and the banana bread.
Perfect. That will be $6.50. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
I'll pay with my card. Oh, and could I get it to go, please?
Sure. I'll make it to go. Here's your receipt. Your order should be ready in a couple of minutes.
Thank you. By the way, do you offer free Wi-Fi here?
Yes, we do. The network name is Coffee House Wi-Fi, and the password is posted on the wall near the pickup counter.
Excellent. I might stay for a bit and do some work after I get my drink.
You're welcome to stay as long as you'd like. We also have power outlets along the wall if you need to charge your laptop or phone.
That's great to know. Do you get busy in the afternoons?
Yes, especially between 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. It's usually quieter in the morning and right after lunch.
Good to know. I might visit during those quiet times. Oh, is there a loyalty program?
Yes, we have a loyalty card. For every 9 drinks you buy, you get the 10th one free. Would you like one?
Definitely. I come to coffee shops often, so that would be helpful.
Here you go. I'll stamp your card once your latte is ready.
Thank you. Is there outdoor seating available?
Yes, we have a small patio just outside the door. It's a nice spot when the weather's good.
I'll take a look later. Do you ever have live music or events?
Yes, actually. We host acoustic music every Friday evening. Sometimes we have poetry nights too.
That sounds fun. I'd love to come for one of those events. Are they free to join?
Yes, they're free. It's just a casual gathering. You can enjoy music, relax, and order drinks or snacks while you're here.
I'm interested. Do I need to make a reservation?
No reservation needed. Just show up early if you want a good seat.
I will. Thank you for the information. How much longer until my order is ready?
It should be ready very soon. I'll call your name in just a moment.
Sounds good. By the way, do you serve decaf coffee as well?
Yes, we do. Any of our espresso drinks can be made with decaf beans upon request.
That's great. I might try decaf next time.
Here's your latte with almond milk and your slice of banana bread. I also stamped your loyalty card.
Thank you so much. Everything looks perfect.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your coffee and let me know if you need anything else.
Actually, one more question. Do you have any recommendations for something iced?
Absolutely. Our iced vanilla latte is very popular, and we also have iced matcha green tea if you prefer something without coffee.
I might try that next time. Does the matcha taste strong?
It has a rich flavor but isn't too strong. We can also make it sweeter if you prefer.
That sounds nice. I'll remember that. Thank you for all your help today.
My pleasure. Enjoy your day and feel free to come back anytime.
I definitely will. Have a great day. Let's learn some helpful vocabulary and phrases from this conversation. You can use these when you visit a coffee shop. To go, take out. Food or drink, prepared to be taken away instead of eaten at the shop. Example: I'd like a latte to go, please. Loyalty card, a card that gives rewards for returning customers. Example: Can I get a stamp on my loyalty card?
Decaf. Coffee with little or no caffeine. Example: Do you have decaf coffee available? Almond milk, a dairy-free milk made from almonds. Example: Can I have my latte with almond milk? Seasonal drinks, drinks only available at certain times of the year. Example: Do you have any seasonal drinks today?
Outdoor seating, tables and chairs located outside the cafe. Example: Is outdoor seating available right now? Wi-Fi network, internet connection available for customers. Example: What is the Wi-Fi network name? Freshly made, made recently, not old or prepackaged. Example: Is the banana bread freshly made? Reservation, a booking made in advance to keep a seat, table, room, or service for you at a specific time. Example: I called the restaurant to make a reservation for 7 p.m. tonight. I hope these words and phrases help you feel more confident when you speaking at the coffee shop. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.